We're actually caught in the storm inside the vehicle and the rain. So everybody, Mama and I are caught in the storm in the car. You hear that thunder? Not good. I'm showing the rain. Oh, that's a raindrops on the tree. Oh, the hail. It's hailing, ain't it? It's hail balls hitting us. Oh, wow.
I don't see nobody.
You never in the car. Look, see?
Oh, yeah.
Those hail balls popping out the car. My gosh.
We trapped there for a while.
I'm trying to start the car to show the hail balls. Ice balls hitting. See the hail balls popping out the car?
Limbs falling off the trees.
I know.
Oh my goodness, we trapped.
These were air were good.
Stop.
Look at the trees bending, my goodness. It's raining, it's thundering, it's lightning, it's hailing. I probably have all kind of dents in my damn car now.
Damn limbs fell off the